manufacturing in Switzerland. Yes. This one is just subsidiary for sales, commercial. Okay. So, we are officially licensed by Big Taishova for BT Plus. Official license, no copy is licensed for the double face contact holder. Okay? So we have a lot of system. We have ER system. We have Micron system. Micron is ER, but from 3 times T, all the system 3 microns. High precision collet holder. Because usually the ER have around 8 micron standard. ER standard from Rego-fix. The ER standard from Rego-fix is around 8 micron. But the micron here have 3 micron. Very high accurate system. Recool, after I will tell you about recool. Okay, so this only about Rego-fix, I just jump over. Huh? Now, what makes us famous? I do not want to talk too much about ER. ER everybody knows. Okay? So ER from Rego-fix, one of the most accurate ER in the world. Then if customer need some more or some better ER, we have ER UP. It's ultra precision. It's 5 micron in the runout. Then if need better precision, we have the micron, the 3 micron holder. So we have 3 systems in ER. And then we have another system. This is our flagship. We call it the powRgrip. Okay, so a little bit of throwback, yeah. 1950, 1957, company Rego-fix was founded. Then founded by him, Mr. Fritz Weber, and here we see the 3 sons, which take over now the company. Okay, so all the blue one is rep office, US, China. Now new is coming for this and next year is India, and also new Malaysia, because I live in Malaysia. So if you become my distributor, my sales partner, you have all the time my support from Malaysia. It's the same time, almost same time, only 1 hour different. To fly from Malaysia to Vietnam, 1.5 hours I'm there, I'm here. So the best support you have. Alright, about the powRgrip. 6 arguments for best results. One of the argument is the highest precision. The whole system is 3 microns in runout. Outstanding clamping force, high clamping force. Reliable and endurant, fast and safe clamping, precise and easy length presetting, and high vibration dampening. Do you want to translate this short?
Cái thứ ba bên dưới như là gì? Không hiểu. Cái dưới này là cái cuối cùng á, cái hơn 2.000
nó gọi cái tốc độ trục chính
the third one mean?
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, later I tell you. Later I tell you. Okay. Good. So the components of the powRgrip is holder, collet, and cutting tool. And of course, the machine. Like shrink fit, need a machine. But this one is no shrink fit, no heat.
Yeah.
Okay. You remember I tell you 3 microns of runout. If I go back and I take, okay, to stand up. From here up to here, 3 microns. 3 microns. It's a very good system. You not have this in shrink fit. Have not. Have not. Heat up, cool down, heat up, cool down. 4 times. Already change. Already change. First time, 3 microns. Second times, 3 microns. After 3-4 times, already change. Because metallurgy, the metal is working. Here, 3 microns forever. Alright, so if we talk about 3 microns, we talk about tool life, okay? If you have a standard ER collet from China, 20 microns run out. That means tool life around 70%. Very bad tool life. If you have Rego-fix ER collet, you have around 100% tool life. So you see, you better pay more for collet, but have higher tool life. If you have the powRgrip with 3 microns, another 50% additional tool life. And tool life is money. This is money. Because it's a consumable, everyday need.
Theo các bạn này thì giống như mình đi test cái kia mình thấy nó không đúng rồi đúng không?
Này là cách thức để mà bán cái collet giá cao.
Collet nó vẫn là 3 micron mà nó suốt đời trong 3 micron, nhiều kia được một thời gian nó có 4 lần mà tăng. Ý là cái thằng này là overlap.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Cái dài đó.
Then I told you very high clamping force. If you take 25mm end mill and you clamp it inside the shrink fit, built shrink fit, 25mm, you have 500 Newton meter clamping force. If you take the powRgrip, 25mm, 1100 Newton meter clamping force. This means for you or your customer can work faster, increase feed rate because no tool pull out, and increase depth of cut. So what does it mean for your customer? Save money. Save a lot of money. Because increase feed rate, increase tool life, saves money.
Yes.
Of course, this system is not cheap, but investment is coming back very fast. You know Framas?
Yeah.
Framas? They have
Yeah.
only this one. They have. Yeah? Okay. Here you see the slip, which torque you need for slip on diameter 12. Okay? So have hydro chuck, tribos, this one is hydro chuck, on 12mm. Puff, slip, tool pull out, 33 Newton meter. Okay? Tribos, 55 Newton meter. This one shrink fit, 25 Newton meter, very good. Now the power grip.
Yeah.
142 Newton meter. And this is proven. This is proven. Okay, now you remember this one. Okay? So this component, holder and collet, more than 20,000 cycles. Cycle. One cycle, clamp in, clamp out. This is one cycle. Okay?
Hơn 20.000.
So more than 20,000 cycle. No change run out, no change in clamping force.
Yeah.
Still, shrink fit, heat up, cool down, heat up, cool down. Clamping force also gone after a certain time because of metallurgy. The metal is working with heat. Here we have no heat. So 20,000 cycles, okay?
Hơn 20.000 lần nó bắt.
Xuyên khuyết là mấy lần?
2.000. Đâu? 2.000.
20,000 cycles. Let's assume 2 cycle per day. 2 cycle, okay? Let's assume. Even I don't think it's two clamp. It's only 1 usually per day. But let's assume worst case, okay? 2 cycle per day. 2 cycle. How many days per week you work here in Vietnam? How many days? 6. Okay. So 12 cycles a week. All right? Then, how many months? How many weeks in 1 month? 4. So 48 cycles per month. How many months in one year? 12. How much this one? I forgot. Calculator? 576, huh? Cycles per year. Now we take the 20,000 divided by 576. How much is it?
34.
34
Yeah.
Hey, you buy one time, you can work 34 years. Rego-fix make forever. Hey, you're a young man, huh? You still work in 34 years? No. You retired before this one retired. So that's why customer need to pay a little bit more money than shrink fit, but can work forever. Okay? This one is very important to teach to your customer. Very, very important. Okay.
Sorry,
Yes.
you should have for the two line the 34 year.
For
You should
holder and collet. This is minimum
Yeah.
open end. After this, we tested 23,000 cycles.
Yeah.
Huh? We clamped, cut, unclamp, clamp again, cut, unclamp. 23,000 cycles. There is no change run out, no change clamping force. Still the same. And then after 23,000 cycles, Rego-fix stop. Because nobody used for 34 years. They use for 5-10 years. Then they buy new.
Yeah.
Because new machine coming, so they buy new batch. We have a company, this system, the powRgrip, already invented 2001. We have customer in Germany still use the first batch. Never change. Unless they have a crash. But if no crash, they still use the first batch. Good, huh?
Yeah.
How much shrink fit, one holder?
150.
150 cycle?
No? Chain 2000.
2000, yeah, 2000. But you know, after 6 time already change. After 20 time already change the value. Still can work, still okay, but no more accurate.
Yes.
Especially on very small diameter have problem.
Yeah.
3 millimeter have problem. This one, no problem. It's this system the best, I tell you. Not because I am Rego-fix. I am machinist. And in Malaysia, we have 24 machines, 24 units in 2 years. All right. So how does it work? You know, it's a collet system. This is a collet system. So also have different kind of sizes, different sizes, okay? Like ER25, ER16, ER8 have different sizes, okay? So therefore, you have a different insert. Very easy. You see small insert there, small, take off by hand, take the big insert, slide in by hand. That's it. This is how to change. Now, how to clamp. Open the machine, take your holder, your collet, your cutting tool, place it manually together, take it, zack, close it. One single button, press. Collet will be pressed inside the holder, cold. 10 seconds, maximum, 10 seconds. You take, you go over. How long heat up and cool down with builds?
5 seconds.
5 second heat up, how long cool down? 30 seconds, huh?
30.
Rồi,
Không phải đó.
30.
So around 30 seconds.
Yes.
So 5 seconds heat up,
yeah.
but in heat up, need to adjust, right?
Yes.
The heat. Here, no need adjust. Just press one button, here. So you take your stuff, placing together. You put inside. Then you press only this button. Zack. Finish. No need to adjust anything. To remove, same way. Same way to remove, just other button. Also between 8 to 10 seconds. One button, zack, finish. Fast and easy. Anyone can do.
Yeah.
My son, 5-year-old,
Yes.
he can do. I teach him one time, he can do.
Yeah.
Incredible. Then, this is machine for high class, for big volume. But if customer only have 3-4 CNC machines, we have also this unit here. It's a manual unit. Same, but manual pump. It's less expensive.
Sử dụng tay, cái này thì sử dụng tự động.
Then pump by manual. Okay? Same system, but manual have. So we have two options, high class or low class. But collet and holder still same, only machine different. Then every collet have a backup screw to make height adjustment, okay? You see, height adjustment. So, if you want to pre-select a certain height, we have this tool here, this one, to go to the presetter. And with this tool you can make very, very accurate adjustment within 10 microns in length, not in runout, in length. 10 microns, nothing in length. If you have 160 length, 10 microns is nothing. It's almost zero. You cannot do this with anyone, with hydro, with shrink fit, you cannot. This one with powRgrip you can. Then, I always talk about shrink fit, but shrink fit is our main competitor. Builds, Heimer is our competitor. This system is different. This is no shrink fit, but shrink fit is our competitor. So, if you have a shrink fit holder, heat up, put your tool inside, cool down. One solid tool. All the vibration into your holder. Holder to the spindle. Right? This system here, because of a collet, vibration dampening is not one solid tool. 3 different material. 1, 2, 3. 3 different material. 3 different frequency level. So let's say the tool frequency, okay, sinus. The collet, then the holder. So all this vibration you understand?
Yes.
Vibration
eliminated.
Nó là ba cái vật liệu nó khác nhau, nên cái độ rung động của vật liệu nó khác nhau. Khi giống như cái cầu nó nhiệt nó hòa thì cái độ rung nó thấp nhất. Hay quá.
Here. Here you see shrink fit and powRgrip. Shrink fit, a lot of vibration, powRgrip, almost zero. So if we talk about vibration, we talk about tool life and we talk about shattering marks on your pieces. So we make the test on the DMU 50, DMG, end mill 3 fluids, diameter 16 on CK45. Feed, everything remains the same. For shrink fit, for hydro and for powRgrip. So we check when is tool life gone and when shattering marks start. RA 1.6, when you see shattering marks. So with shrink fit, 80 or maybe 85, 90 meters finish of cut in CK45, finish. Hydro chuck, 130 meters, because hydro, the fluid, reduce vibration, right? Now powRgrip, 160 meter. Double. Double. This is proven.
Thì lực nó còn cao hơn xí khít.
Tương bận hơn cái kia.
Vậy thì lực nó có cái độ chỉnh ốc thì lập ra cái đoạn đường gia công nó cái độ rung động nó chịu được dài hơn nên độ nhám nó đó là đang nói độ nhám.
Nó chỉ là gãi bỏ nó không bằng là xin phép thôi.
Okay. So again, different holders available. We are licensed by Sandvik to produce original Capto. No copy is original by Sandvik. Any HSK can. HSK 63, HSK 125, HSK 32, HSK 40, everything can. Cylindrical, XL, SK, BT, even, as I said, BT plus, PBT, because we are officially licensed by Big Showa. Heavy duty, for tapping, everything have. Then, as I said, you remember collet, different sizes of collet. So, we have PG6 up to PG32. What does that mean? You see, PG6, even micro bore have 0.2 millimeter can clamp here in micro bore, up to 3 millimeter. PG10 from 0.2 to 6 millimeter. PG15 from 3 millimeter to 12 millimeter, now is new, we have 12. And PG25 from 3 to 20. And PG32 for the big size up to 25. So maximum clamp 25 millimeter, minimum clamp 0.2 millimeter. Okay? The best seller, usually everything PG25. So 3 to 20 millimeter, the widest range. Okay? So if you have PG25, only need one insert. You remember the insert for the machine? Only need one. If customer have different odd sizes, maybe need more insert. But usually with PG25 can do everything. Then also have standard CF for coolant flush, I show you. We have long for long tools, short for short tools, turning, secure grip, tapping, MQL. So now you see the difference. This is standard collet. Standard collet can use for internal cool. Peripheral cooling, the CF collet, for coolant flush. I show you the video. Here, you see, on-site the tool. All the chips, direct spot cooling. Another 10 to 20% tool life more with this application. Then, you remember I told you we have very high clamping force. But in certain application, people want to have security. No tool pull out. So therefore, we invented, have a welded flat, a thread, you thread in. So this one, no tool pull out, okay? Collet. So clamping. And then, even the nut, so collet cannot come out. You understand this system?
Yes.
Very easy, very simple, very safe.
Anh muốn hỏi lại cái chỗ kẹp cái nãy là cái kia là kẹp cái cán nó là nhỏ nhất 0.2 hay là
Nhỏ nhất
cái
0.2.
kẹp cái cán 0.2.
Now this one the most important for your customer. This system help increase production. This system help increase production. You remember? Increase feed rate, increase depth of cut, Save time, save money. So production output higher. Reduce cycle time. Increase tool life because high accuracy and vibration dampening. At the end, save a lot of Vietnam Dong. Huh? This is very important. Your customer, if they know this, they will buy. But they will not buy because you tell. They will buy because you give test and trial, free of charge test and trial. If the customer see the difference, wow, then he can start calculating. Like Framas. Framas, they make test and trial, they see, wow, so much saving. But of course, you cannot go to Framas. Framas already is other distributor. Emuge Franken. Emuge. Because Emuge can sell this system. They can. Is our partner OEM in global. So they can. So if Emuge already in one company, you cannot enter. But if other company Emuge not yet in, you can. Okay? So this is powRgrip, our flagship. The best system in the world. This helps your customers. Then I want to show you one more thing.
Cái này dễ bán không? 10 lần tuổi thọ nhiều giá nó gấp đôi vẫn bán được chứ đúng không?
Thực sự nó đúng cái hiệu quả và cái độ chính xác nó cao thì mình dễ tiếp cận.
Cái này đúng dễ tháo lắm, phải không phải có cái máy gì kia hay là mình đắp
Bắt buộc phải có hai máy đó, một cái máy sơn đó.
Otherwise, we can make a short break because I'm very fast already. You understand? We can make 5 minutes break if you like. Huh? Okay.
Để nó nói xong rồi hỏi.
Also brought you some chocolate here. Maybe for the guys here. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. You want I start or we can also make 5 minutes? Okay.
Nghe hết thì hỏi gì?
So you see, we have tool holders and we have collets. We have ER and we have micron and we have powRgrip. So what I want is, actually I want to switch off. Can we switch off shortly? Just for 5 minutes. All right. So Rego-fix. What do we have? Sorry. We have, what system we have? ER.
Yes.
Okay, ER. Out of this we have standard ER, which is around 8 microns in runout.
Yes.
Then we have ER UP, which is 5 microns in runout for high quality ER. Next system we have MR, micron. Okay, this system named micron. Also based on ER, but high precision, 3 microns of runout. And then we have another system. What do you learn now? What is the name? powRgrip. We call it PG. Okay, PG for powRgrip. Also here, 3 microns. All right? So this 4 tool holding system we have. This one belongs together. Okay? Your customer can choose standard ER or ER UP. UP means ultra precision. Sorry, but can read, okay? Ultra precision. Can choose micron. This one, of course, not for roughing. Micron, not for roughing. Micron mostly finishing, high-speed application, like in medical. So the PG, you see, high clamping force, so can go roughing. You see 3 microns of runout, also high speed. So HSC, high speed cut, or HPC, your company, high performance cutting.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
So this one for all in one. So 1, 2, 3 system. Now we have a 4th system, and this is the last system. Is no tool holding. This one is something special for turning. It calls RC for Re-cool. This system I show you now. Okay, can switch on again.
Này nó cho cả giao thông thô luôn, đạt đồ đảo luôn.
Re-cool. So let's assume we have a VDI. You know VDI, right? Angle head, okay? Let's assume we have, or we have a driven turning lathe with driven tools, okay? So usually this is the standard. Huh? Everybody knows this. All right. This one is the standard, okay? Outside cooling. Some company, they offer inside, internal cooling. But this one, very expensive to add this, very expensive. And also need to change the seals and every year service, cleaning. Cost money.
Không gắn trên mấy cái máy tiền máy hai nữa, nó nguyên một cụm luôn, chứ không phải là cái bề tề. Trên một số máy xịn nó sẵn nó nguyên cụm luôn. Nãy nó nói mấy cái kia là hệ thống tưới nội của nó thì nó mỗi năm nó phải thay mấy cái ron đó, là tốn kém. Anh lại giới thiệu với tụi nó.
Okay. So what we do is from this one here go onto this one in easy, very easy solution. So how? This is usually whatever you know. This application mostly for drilling. This one is mostly for drilling. So we take with our nut, with our Re-cool nut, is only one nut, we take the water and guide it through our system for internal coolant. Check where I play. Okay. So this is what we know, huh? Everybody know. Now we remove the hose, we remove the nut and the tool, we keep the collar. Just put the Re-cool nut on it, connect the water to the Re-cool nut, zack. 3 minutes. 3 minutes for the change. Very affordable, very low price, but money saving very high. Because drilling, so all the cooling coming here, from outside cooling, coming only here. But what about here? Here is hot. So all the times need picking. Alright?
Yes.
Lose time and also to life gone. If have internal cooling, so cooling from here, no need to go picking, no need, and to life increase. So if customer, he wants to have internal coolant in drilling, you can offer him this. Instead of machine builder need to change. Because machine builder charge very expensive. Yeah. And then every year need service. Yeah. Here, no need service. Buy one time, have it forever. Then you have two options. One, you have option with the sealing disc for coolant through, or you have a coolant flush for peripheral cooling. Two options. Is only one clip, one little clip. Click inside for this one, or you have the coolant flush disc, yes, also clip inside. Can use for oil and emulsion, can. And you see here up to 12,000 RPM for ER 16, 20, 25, 32. For ER 40, 6,000 RPM. Okay? Two options available. One time for driven tools and one time for Swiss lace, static. So this one is Eagle Industry in France. They have this sleeve before they use outside cooling, okay? So, 5,000 RPM, 55 meter per minute, 2 times drilling, one time here and one time there, okay? So a lot of time, you see, 4 seconds, 4.5 seconds. And 2 live, 8,000 pieces. And all the times need, you see chipping 4 times. Now they change to recool. So from 5,000 we go to 7,500, increase. From 55 meter we go to 80 meter feed rate. Then no need drilling interruption anymore, no need. And only one time. You see, only fully go through. So from 8 seconds to 2 seconds. From 4,000 pieces every day, 16,000 pieces. Then 2 live, from 8,000 to 20,000 pieces. You see how much you save. Now, 80,000 euros saved every month. Every month.
Biện pháp như là Salivina này, cái thằng máy điện tự động, thay cái đồ kẹp với lại chuyển cái ống dẫn qua là được.
Rồi xài của máy phải rảnh. Nó có cái nắp phòng.
Nó có 2 rồi, cái nắp rồi, nắp thì còn đấy.
Cái này cái máy cái này
And here you see, can be used in the driven tools. Here, this one I don't like. No use there. Only use on turning lace.
Máy tiện nó có nắp, máy tiện nó có thêm một số tính năng.
This was it. That's the recool. Easy change, easy fast change.
Nó có hai cái quy tắc, một cái là nó sử dụng cái con cái mũi khoan có cái nguồn xuyên tâm, một cái thì nó không có luôn, từ cái con led nó không ra luôn. Này nó có
I'm finished. This is Rego-fix, very simple, very easy. For you and for your customer. Huh? I do not have more. That was my visit to you, 1 hour.
Yeah.
So now my question or my suggestion is, watch that, have a look inside.
Yeah.
If you're interested, let me know. I'm more than willing to increase sales in Vietnam to help you.
Yeah.
Do you have office in Hanoi?
Also.
Have also. Because maybe in August I'm going to Hanoi.
August, what, when?
Around 23 August.
I will go there.
You go there too?
Yeah.
Maybe 23 August I'm going to Hanoi, because in Hanoi we have a lot of inquiries from Hanoi, from Korean customer,
Yes.
like Hanwha or all this stuff. So I'm looking for sales partner, have office in Ho Chi Minh,
Yes.
Da Nang and Hanoi.
Yes. Maybe next year I open office in
In Da Nang,
Yes.
I see.
Next year.
I see. So maybe 23 August I'm going to Hanoi. So if you can meet
20 or 23?
23. Yeah, it's Friday.
Friday.
Yeah. Because before I go to Thailand and then after I come to Hanoi. For if you want and if you're interested in Rego-fix,
Yeah.
then I can also train the guys in Hanoi.
Mm-hmm.
Like here, you see, very fast, very easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. About pricing is also no problem. Pricing, if you're interested in pricing, I can let you have. This is no problem. The thing is, just please, everybody of you, this training here, keep confidential. You're not yet official distributor. First, you make decision, I make my decision, okay? Because I want to know what is the status with bills. I do not say stop bills. I do not say. You still can sell bills. You still can sell shrink fit. I don't care.
Yeah.
But you must be sure. You must bring turnover for Rego-fix. It's not just keep Rego-fix. Oh, we have Rego-fix. No.
Yeah.
If you have Rego-fix, you must bring turnover. Huh?
Yeah.
So you must be sure. Of course, first about pricing, you send me whatever you need. I send you a quotation.
Sure.
If you see the quotation, then you can say, oh, maybe, nah, cannot or can.
Yeah.
If you say can, then I send you all my prices.
Okay.
But before I send you only quotation, so that you can see if you like or not. Okay?
Yeah.
First thing. The second thing, if you become my distributor here in Vietnam,
Yeah.
you need to purchase the manual unit
Yeah.
for demo.
Yes.
This one is a very low price.
Sure, yeah.
Yes. But this one is an investment. You give me commitment, then I give you commitment.
Yeah.
And if you, as soon you purchase the hand unit of the PG,
Yeah.
I give you the best discount. Okay?
Yeah.
So this is about the strategy now.
Mm-hmm.
I remember last year I visited here in Ho Chi Minh around 4 or 5 customers. Have also some Boeing, some aerospace here in Ho Chi Minh. Very interested in powRgrip.
Yeah.
But the problem, our distributor CNC solution not so good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Mr. Lin, Mr. Viet, is, I don't know,
Mm-hmm.
not interested, or I think money problem also.
Yeah.
Okay? So I need distributor which is strong and willing to sell. I know this one take a lot of time for invest, for convince customer.
Yeah.
But after, when he purchase, it's a big deal. Yeah? So you must be sure whatever you want. I support you if you like. Yeah? We can take this now as a training, as a meeting. If you say, yes, I want Rego-fix, I can come in September again here and make another training. I go out with you to customer.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah.
I can do that. So take your time, think about if you want. Because Rego-fix is expensive, but it's high quality.
Yeah.
So can Vietnam take high quality and expensive? If cannot, then better not. If you think yes can, then we go.
Yes, sure.
Okay? To be honest with you, this afternoon I meet Cominix. Because Cominix, my distributor in Japan, and my distributor in Thailand. So I am honest to you, I meet also Cominix, okay?
Yeah.
I not make any decision now. I just meet you, then in the afternoon I meet Cominix, okay?
Sure. Okay.
So that's why I'm frank. With me, I never lie. I'm always straight ahead and direct. So that's why I tell you honestly tonight, this afternoon I go with Cominix, make the same training.
What time you contact with company?
1 p.m. from my hotel.
From your hotel? 1 p.m. 1 p.m.
1 p.m. yes.
Okay.
They pick me up 1 p.m. from my hotel.
Okay.
Because you see, Rego-fix very easy to understand, very easy to and very fast.
Yeah.
Yeah? If you have question, I'm still here. You can ask me. If not, then I probably go back to my hotel. Up to you, huh?
Có cái gì hỏi không? Anh em có gì thắc mắc không?
Rất hỏi không được. Nãy hỏi giờ
I can let you know the machine price, the price of the machine is around 7,000 Swiss franc. Maybe around 6,500 euro.
Okay.
6,500 euro, the machine.
Automatic?
Automatic.
Yes.
The manual one is around 3,000 euro, 3,500 euro.
Cheap.
Yeah. It's not expensive,
Not expensive.
but the holder,
Yeah.
because in shrink fit you only need to buy one holder,
Yeah.
but one holder every diameter, right?
Yeah.
Here you buy one holder,
Yeah.
but and collet with
Yeah.
different sizes,
Yeah.
but additional need to buy collet.
Yes.
So that's why it's more expensive than shrink fit. Okay?
How about around one simple, one bigger?
One holder,
Holder.
one holder approximately same holder like shrink fit. Approximately. But the collet also have high price, around 100 euro, one collet. Huh? For me, when I start with you,
Yeah.
I want that you have business. I want that you go promote Rego-fix. Yeah?